Hey guys, welcome back. Today we are going to continue looking at telling time, but today we're going to be looking at another topic that is called elapsed time. Now, elapsed just means how much time has passed. Okay, so we're just going to be looking at time that has passed. Let's see what I mean. We're going to look at our first problem here. So our first problem is we want to figure out how much time has passed from 7:10. Sorry. Looking on the wrong layer. From 7:10 to 11:20. Now, I think the easiest way to do this is with a number line. Okay? So what we'll do, start our number line. And we're going to go up by each hour. So here's 7:10. 1 hour more, to give it a little jump, is going to be 8:10. That's 1 hour. Another hour, 9:10. Another hour, 10:10. Another hour, 11:10. Now, this is where we're going to stop for a second, but I want to show you what's going to happen if we go up another hour. If we go up another hour, that's going to be 12:10, but I wanted to stop at 11:10, or 11:20. 12:10 is too far. So at this point, I can go up to here, which is 11:10. Now, I'm going to start jumping by intervals of 10 minutes. Okay, so if I go from, I'm not even going to look at the hours now. Not even going to look at the hours. I'm going to jump from 10 to 20. So I'm going to go from 10 to 20. And the question I'm going to ask myself is, how long was that? Well, that was just 10 minutes. So, at this point, I would be at 11:20. So, I add up what I have here. This is 1, 2, 3, 4 hours and 10 minutes. This is 10 minutes there. Okay, let's look at another one. This is going to be a little easier. This one is going from 10 o'clock to 3 o'clock. Okay, this one we're not even dealing with minutes. So again, we're going to start our number line. I did it again. There we go. So we're going from 10 to 3. So I'm going to draw my number line. Let it straighten out. There it goes. And I'm going to go 10 o'clock. Go up an hour. That's 11. Go up an hour. That's 12. Go up an hour. That's 1. Keep in mind, once you cross 12, it starts back over. So it wouldn't be 13. It would be 1. Go up an hour. That'd be 2. Go up an hour. That'd be 3. Okay, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hours. No minutes exchanged. So, because if we look here, in our question that we started with, the minutes are exactly the same. On the previous question, those minutes were different. That's why we see this one's 20, and this one is 10. So since those were different, we had to do that as well. But since on these they're the same, we don't have to mess with them. So this one, we're only looking at the hours, which goes from 10 to 3, and that makes 5 hours. Okay, you could also write it like this. Okay, let's do another one. Okay, so for this problem, we're going to go from 9:30 to 9:50. Now, we're going to again draw our number line. But this time, if I look at my hours are the same. So we're going to assume for this question that these are PM. Okay, now Miss Bishop didn't write that down in there before, but let's just assume that this is PM. Okay, now we don't have to deal with the hours for this one. We can go straight to the minutes. So for this one, we need to go to 9:30, and I'm going to jump up by, I'm going to use our next one here, okay, which is 10 minutes. So jumping up 10 minutes would be 9:40. Go up 10 more minutes. It's 9:50. Are we at our stopping point? Now let's see. Yep, we are. So that means from 9:30 to 9:50, that is 10 minutes plus 10 minutes, which makes 20 minutes. Could also be written as 0 hours and 20 minutes. Okay, that's another way to write it. So I know that was a little bit different than some of the other ones. Let's do one last one. This time it's going to be a little different. This time we're starting at 2:30. This time we're starting at 2:30. We don't know what time we're ending, but we know we have 2 hours and 15 minutes that have elapsed. So again, let's draw this on our number line. So we start at 2:30, and we are going to go up by, let's start with 2 hours. Okay, so here's 2:30. 1 hour would be 3:30. 2 hours would be 4:30. Now, we're going to move over to our minutes. And we're going to go up 15 minutes from 30. So if I jump up 15 minutes, that's going to end up being 4 still. But we're only going to add 15 to 30. 15 plus 30 is 45. So our ending time is 4:45. So if you're looking for elapsed time, you just jump up to the time that they've given you. If they give you the elapsed time, just jump up by that many. Using the number line is by far the easiest way for you to solve these questions. So, thank you, and let me know if you have any questions or there's anything I can do to help. See you next time. Bye.